Respondents 1 to 5, no? No question. Notice. Still awaited.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I may be allowed to mention item 7, Your Lordship. Here I'm for the state and I'm yet to file my counter, so kindly grant 3 weeks time.
7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But why in this issue you are taking so much of time?
Your Lordship, actually earlier occasion I didn't receive the instructions, so now I have received the instructions, so I'll be filing within 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, you have taken consent of the other side?
Your Lordship, I didn't see them in the morning, so.
Just wait for some time.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Mention when the other side is there.
Okay. Your Lordship, I may also be allowed to mention item 11, Your Lordship. Here I've taken the consent of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Here I'm yet to receive instructions, so kindly grant 3 weeks time.
Okay, with consent of the other side, the government
11.
seeks adjournment to file affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, prayer is allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item 13, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Here also I'm yet to receive instructions, so kindly grant some time, Your Lordship.
You taken consent of the other side?
Your Lordship, they're
No,
present to the
without consent, I am not adjourning. You renew the prayer when the matter.
My please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. Lordship, pleading is complete, but my currently my senior counsel is engaged in principal bench, so let this matter be fixed after a week. Item number 30.
Okay. There is a counsel for the private respondent. You have taken consent?
Yes. Yes, Lordship.
Have you taken?
I have taken the consent.
Okay. With consent of the other side, the learned counsel for the petition prays for adjournment. Prayer is allowed. List after a week.
Yes.
Okay.
Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, orders.
Why it has come for orders?
Lordship, here, I may be given 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
You
Lordship, service report on this one, 4 is still awaited, I think.
still awaited.
Yes.
Item 22.
I think 22.
The petitioner is present. The learned counsel for respondent number
2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3, press for. It is granted. How much time?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition with the matter. Next.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Service on respondent number 4 is awaited. I think you have to take fresh steps. Last steps was taken on, it was issued on 13/10.
Yes, sir.
Please take again.
Very well.
The petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice on respondent number 4 by registered post with AD. Next one, the registry shall.
Otherwise,
provide
my lord, may I be promoted justice service?
Yes. The learned counsel for the petition shall collect the postal receipt number from the registry and submit postal track report prior to the next date of listing. In addition, the service on who is permitted through the by routing the process through the registry report. Notice is made returnable on. How much time?
After 4 weeks, my lord. It's quite distant. It's in the interior.
Give a date after 4 weeks. Notice made returnable is also list accordingly. 15/4.
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 4.
Item number 4, we are for the government.
On behalf of the state, respondent number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Your lordship, I will be allowed to grant at 2 weeks' time.
Okay. And who is for the union?
Union is Mr. For
Yeah, the union.
respondent 1 and 2.
Okay. There are private respondents also,
No, my lord. No private response.
no respondents.
Yes, my lord, yes. Private respondent is also represented. Village council. Asha. I'm sorry, my lord, not in this case, but there's a related matter which is that in the supplementary list, item 37. There is a private respondent.
Okay, so here there is no private respondent. Okay. All sides that we represented on the prayer made well and government advocate. How much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. In opposition.
Your lordship, affidavits have already been filed. What the learned additionally advocate general wants is some time to get some instructions.
Okay. Okay. On the prayer made well and additional advocate general for the state. Magistrate is adjourned for 2 weeks to enable him to obtain instructions. Next matter, the registry shall reflect the name of the learned CEC as well as additional AG for the state by listing the matter next. List after 2 weeks.
Can a date be fixed? I know, 26th March.
Make it 27th. Oh, acha, 26th. Then. Okay, okay.
My lord, I have a similar period, item number 22. I'm yet to receive an instruction. Item number 22.
Just a moment. You said about item, the supplementary list?
Yes, my lord, 22, they have already mentioned.
No,
earlier.
no. Supplementary list, which you have
37.
said earlier.
37.
37. This is for hearing. 37 is for hearing.
Yes, my lord. You said. So, are you reading?
Yeah, similar period, because 50 and item number 4 and 37 are similar.
Okay,
Same order would,
okay.
cover.
List after,
On the same date, my lord, 26.
okay, list on 26, 3/2024, along with
50, WPC 50 of 22.
WPC 50 or 2022.
Much obliged.
Item 31, on behalf of my colleague who is appearing for the state, your lordship, I have taken consent of the petitioner, your lordship.
Okay.
Since she has personal difficulties this matter may kindly be listed after 2 weeks, your lordship.
Okay.
Item 31 from the hearing list.
The prayer made by Government Deputy. Matters is adjourned today. List after 2
2
weeks.
weeks, your lordship.
Lordship,
Much obliged.
after 1 week.
After 1 week.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, list after a week. Okay.
Please, Lordship.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention here in item 24. My lord, let this matter be listed on 26 of this month. Lordship.
24.
22nd. Yeah. Okay, 22nd, Lordship. 22nd.
22nd, okay. Both sides are represented on the prayer made by Learned Council for respondent number
4.
4. List on, give the date, 22.
22, madam.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6. My lord, here I need to file affidavit in reply to the counterfile by the state respondents. 6. Your lordship, kindly grant a week.
You're for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
On the prayer made by Learned Council for the petitioner, list after weeks first enable her to file affidavit in reply.
Obliged.
You are standing counsel for
Respondent number 80.
Mr. Nozul, counsel for respondent 8 is present.
My lord, even in item number 9.
Same.
Your lordship, 3 weeks may be granted to file my affidavit in reply. Item number 9.
On the prayer made by Learned Council for the petitioner, list after 3 weeks to available to file affidavit in reply in the matter. Okay.
Please, your lordship, I'd like to mention hearing item number 26. On behalf of my senior, Sir City Jamir, there is some difficulties today, so if the matter can be listed tomorrow.
Item,
Item number 26.
you want to do it tomorrow?
Yes, lordship.
Okay, list on 5/3/2024 as prayed for by Learned Council for the petitioner.
May I please, Your Lordship? Maybe please to mention hearing item number 29, Your Lordship.
Item number
29. Lordship, I'm having some personal difficulties, so Lordship, if the matter can come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
okay. You're for the petitioner.
No, I'm for the state.
You're for the state. Okay. Consent? 22nd. Okay. List on 22. List on 22. 3/2024 as prayed for well-learned government advocate. Interim order passed earlier, stands extended till the next date of Wednesday.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27, Your Lordship, on behalf of the leading counsel for the respondent number 2, 4, and 5. Lordship, we are filing around 2 weeks' time, Lordship, to file our affidavit in opposition.
Just a moment. Just one. Item 27. No, because last opportunity was already granted by Order 412. And the court has made it clear, if it is not filed, interim order is time vacated. So now we vacate your interim order. I don't know, I'm going by the last order sheet. That's why when the prayer was made in this case, I have no other option. Uh, Mr.
Bedover on behalf of SMT.
Your name, I didn't get it. Please write it down.
Okay, Your Lordship.
So on behalf of Mr. S.K. Mehdi, counsel for the petitioner.
Respondent number 2, 4, and 5.
You are praying on behalf of 2, 4, and 5.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent 2, 4.
And who's for the petitioner?
Your Lordship,
You have filed your reply.
Your Lordship, I'm on behalf of the counsel for the petitioner.
You filed your reply, no?
No.
Then you are vacating your interim order. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, CGC prays for adjournment. Next paragraph. The petitioner is represented and affidavit in reply has not been filed in terms of order dated 4/12/2023. Next paragraph. By the said order dated 4/12/2023, this court had indicated that the petitioner was granted 10 opportunities to file affidavit in reply, which was not filed, and therefore it was made clear that if the affidavit in reply was not filed by the petitioner on or before 15/12/2023, the interim order shall automatically stand vacated. Full stop. Accordingly, as the said order has already been taken effect of automatically vacating the interim order. The interim order passed on 12/11/2020 stands vacated. Next paragraph. One last adjournment is granted in this case. Is make clear that no prayer for adjournment will be entertained on the next date, and the matter would be heard on the basis of materials available on record without granting any adjournment. List on how much time?
2 weeks, Lord. After 2 weeks.
3 weeks. Give a date after 3 weeks. '26.
Your lordship, there is an interim.
We have vacated it. Interim is gone. There was a previous order. That's what we are telling you. Interim order goes, and it has already been vacated with effect from 15/12. It's just a formal declaration made today for the vacating of interim order. Interim order is vacated.
May I please the Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
Item 5.
Item 5. Yeah, my lord, and for the state respondent, Lordship. Yet to fight. So if Lordship, please,
No, you have been taking adjournment for a long time in this matter.
Lordship, I'm allowed to listen to one matter.
No, you see this, it's only a order of the revenue code. Your affidavit or no affidavit will make no difference at all.
I just received the instruction from the department of. So Lordship, please, 2 weeks time.
No, you see, that instruction will not change the law.
But if it was silent, just received the instruction. Lordship, please.
But we'll make it clear that if you don't file your affidavit, then the state will have to pay cost to him. You wanted 2 weeks, we are granting you 2 weeks. But after 2 weeks, you pay 10,000 to petitioner if you don't file it. Correct? So that's why this is only an insurance. You will file it. The order is only an insurance that you will do it. Otherwise, it will be paid by the department to him. If it is not filed. No, I'll grant you. You asked for 2 weeks, we are granting you 2 weeks. But we are also executing an insurance policy. Correct?
Since I have to send any.
That we don't know. Ask them to come here. Ask the officers to come here and sign it. Don't send it for vetting. When they have given you instructions, they should be here to sign it. Otherwise, the respondents will jointly and severally pay them compensation for adjournment. Counsel for the petition is present.
Lordship, there's interim that may be continued.
On behalf of the state respondents, Mr. V. Jimomi, learned government advocate, prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. As a lot of adjournments have been taken, the state is put to notice that in the event affidavit is not filed, at least 1 day prior to the next date of listing, the state would have to pay, the state respondents would jointly and severally have to pay cost to the petitioner to the extent of rupees 10,000. In the event such order is passed, it would be open to the concerned officials, the government to realize the cost from the concerned officials for cause delay. Next paragraph. List on after 2 weeks. We'll make it last
After 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Would be much on the second side.
Okay, then 26.
After 2 weeks.
Okay, 26,
Lordship.
3/2024.
Interim, Lordship.
Interim order passed, just and extended till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I also have a similar prayer, item number 10.
Item 10.
Item 10.
Okay. You are for the petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, both sides are represented on the prayer made by Leonard.
Lordship, on the last occasion, the last chance for filing the affidavit in opposition was given, so
Is it?
Lordship.
Item 9.
Lordship,
Show me this item 9.
And then lordship, I'm here to receive instruction.
Item 9. This is item 9.
Item
10.
10,
Okay.
Lordship.
Same order here. Give 2 weeks time and then cost. Your cost is not paid. Counsel with the petitioner is present on behalf of the state. So we only counsel for learning committed place for adjournment. Same order. Here also we are granting 2 weeks chance as a last chance.
Lordship, I'm here to receive instruction.
No, then we are not getting you. No, then we are not giving you adjournment. It's a 23 matter. If instructions are not coming, then we'll have to, what you call, who is responsible for giving you instructions?
The state respondent, lordship.
Which officer?
Particularly respondent,
Commissioner and Secretary. We'll ask them to be present for 3 days in your office till his instructions are complete. He will be here in your office instead of his office. Commissioner and Secretary Health.
Lordship.
So we'll ask him to be in your office on 2 days. Today is 4th. So 8th and 9th of this month, he will be in your office.
Lordship.
Correct?
Lordship.
9th is a holiday. Oh, 7th and 8th. 7th and 8th. Counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. V. Zimovil and the government advocate has submitted that he has not received instructions. First off, several orders have been passed. In this case, directing the state to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. First off, the delay on part of the state in filing affidavit in opposition is not appreciated. First off, the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of Health and Family Welfare, is directed to attend the office of the Senior Government Advocate in Gauhati High Court.
Yes.
No.
Junior government.
Office will be Senior Government Advocate only. What do you call your office?
Advocate General.
Advocate General Office, okay. The Office of the Advocate General, Nagaland, on 7th and 8th of March 2024, and ensure that all appropriate instructions are provided to the government advocate. Full stop. It is made clear that if the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Nagaland, fails to provide appropriate instructions to the government advocate, comma, he would, the said authority shall file an affidavit to explain as to why this court shall not pass adverse orders to have it entered in his service records. Next para, the learned government advocate shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the learned, to the Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Nagaland. First of all, list this matter on 11/3/2024, so as to enable the learned government advocate to inform the court as to whether he has received instructions or not. Okay. 11th, this matter will be listed. 8th and 9th, he'll be in your office. On 11th, you will inform us whether you have received instructions and then pray for an adjournment to file affidavit.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 32.
You see, in these cases where these landowners have been assured job and ultimately they are not in service, you can take a in principle decision by the government and you file an affidavit. So what will take you so long? How many cases are pending of this matter, this nature? There will be several cases.
Lordship.
Today, I think this is the third case in the board. Try to get instructions because this is a in principle discussion, instructions you want. Yes, item number
Item 32, Lordship.
32.
This matter can come up next week.
Lordship, we kindly fix it on Monday, Lordship.
Okay, both sides are present on the prayer made by Learned Government Advocate. Matters since adjourned today, list on 11.
Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. On behalf of Government Advocate Pichano, kindly grant 3 weeks time for her to file her affidavit in opposition.
Here also we have given a lot of time for affidavit. Item 12. Here also same thing. This is job against land.
No, Lordship, for regarding for scale of pay, Lordship.
Okay, both sides are represented. One last opportunity is granted to the state to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. The director, Department of Agriculture, State of Nagaland, within bracket respond number 3, shall take notice that in the event affidavit is not filed within 2 weeks, he shall be personally present in court on the next date of hearing, equipped with all the records relevant to this case, and be prepared to assist the learned government advocate in responding to the court queries. Next, the learned government advocate shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the responder number 3 to bring the order to the notice. Affidavit in opposition shall be filed within 16/12/2024. Sorry, it will be March. It will be 15/3/2024. Place the matter on 93/2024. For personal appearance of the respondent number 3 in the event affidavit is not filed.
Not sure.
Lordship, I'd like to mention like also item 14, 15, 16, and 17. On behalf of additional AG, we separate. We to receive instructions. 2 weeks to file a.
What are these issues about? What is this matter?
Your Lordship, the state has framed a scheme for regularization of work charge employees under the work charge regulation. So I'm challenging that scheme, and I'm also asking for scale payment of the scheme. In fact, Your Lordship, the petitioner in serial number, item number 14, he has served for 34 years. He's almost retired, on the verge of retirement. There is some reason. The person at serial number 15 is also 34 years. At serial number 16 is 29 years. At serial number 17 is 33 years. And at serial number 18 is 20 plus years. On work charge.
Age or service.
On work charge basis, yes.
But here I think the maximum service one can render is 35 years.
Yes, ma'am.
But,
35
one is-
years or 60, whichever is earlier. That's our state card, retirement policy. 35 years or 60, whichever is earlier.
But you are saying that they have served 39 years, that's why,
No, not 39, my lord. 29.
or 29, okay. Which department? PHE. Just give one of the items. Item number 14.
14 to 18.
Same order, but department will be different now. Personal appearance. So both sides are represented on behalf of the additional advocate general for the state. Prayer for adjournment is made. To file affidavit in opposition with the matter. As several opportunities to file affidavit in opposition has been given. The Secretary to the Government of Nagaland. Sorry, Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Health Department of Public Health Department within bracket PHED.
Lordship, item 16 is PWD. Item 16 and 18, they are PWD.
PWD.
Yes, 16 and 18.
Okay, 16 and 18 PWD. This is PHED. The Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of Personal and Administrative Reforms, shall ensure that affidavit in opposition is filed within same date. Failing which they both shall be present in court along with the records relevant to this case. And be prepared to assist the learned additional advocate general to reply to the court queries. Downloaded copy and then activity in opposition by 19th. Just, it is here. I'm sorry. Affidavit in opposition by 15th. Personal appearance on 19th. If affidavit is not read.
Your Lordship, also
Yes.
like to mention item 19. Wait for 2 weeks time to file my counter affidavit.
Counter affidavit.
Uh,
Okay, you taken consent of the other side?
Yes.
Okay, all sides are represented. You are for the petitioner.
For state, Your Lordship.
Okay. Therefore, adjournment is made on behalf of the state to enable them to file affidavit in opposition in the matter where is allowed. List after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I'd like to mention
Yes.
item number 28 from the hearing list. On
28.
behalf of this mayor. The matter could be listed after 1 week. She's in disposal.
Lordship, several adjournments have been taken, and on the last occasion, no further adjournment. That is the order.
But he is ill.
Let this be the last chance.
If they are taking a lot of adjournments, that means you have done something outside. You're what you call, you're threatening them. No. Yes, he's a good man. No threatening.
Good.
But then we'll have to close it. If you're taking a lot of adjournments. Mr. Convener will have a right to object.
Council is in disposal, Lordship.
Okay. After a week,
Yes, Your Lordship.
choose a date when you want to do. 12th. But you'll have to button up your coat. Okay, both sides are represented. One last opportunity on the plain made matter and the government advocate. Matter stands adjourned. Most of it is noticed that the respondents have taken a lot of adjournment in the matter. Therefore, they are put to notice not to pray for adjournment on the next date. List for early morning. When? 12, 3/2024. No adjournment on the next date.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here we have issued notice to respondent 1 to 5, but the status shows it's still awaited. So if it can be, if this matter can come up after 3 weeks.
When did you take steps?
Lordship,
When was the steps issued?
it was issued on 13/11/2023, Your Lordship,
No, then
through
you have to take-
register ID.
No, then you have to take fresh steps. That is long back. Petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice on respondent numbers.
1 to 5, Your Lordship, if for respondent number 4, if it can be issued through Dusty Service, Your Lordship.
Okay, but the notice to whom?
Respondent number 4.
Only 4 is awaited.
No, all the services are still awaited. So if a fresh step is to be taken, then for respondent number 4, we can issue through Dusty Service.
This is item 23, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
But Union of India is there. So even for Union of India, you have taken steps.
Your Lordship, we have served notice through the registered post, Your Lordship.
No, if there's a comment, you don't have to send it through the registered post. You're doing a wrong way. Just item 23. Tax department doesn't have what you call council here. Income tax doesn't have a council here.
For Union of India, it's Sir Yangarwati usually represents, so I don't know if.
I'm CGC, but the finance, they have their own selling process.
So this is not finance, it is income tax.
They have finance and income tax. They have their own.
No, finance can't take it. Income tax means central government.
Yes, sir. So, let notice to be issued.
Okay. No, but for Union of India, you'll have to receive. For Union of India, you'll have to receive. You can't say no. One is Union of India. Uh, Counsel for the petitioner and Mr. Yagarwati, Leonard, CGC are present for respondent one are present. The Leonard CGC accept notice on behalf of respondent number one. Next paragraph. The petition should take fresh steps for service of notice on the respondent numbers 2 to 5 by registered post with AD. The London Council for the petition is permitted to collect the postal receipt number and submit postal track report prior to the next date of listing. Next paragraph. Notice is made returnable only. You did after 4 weeks.
Your lordship, there's an interim order, so if it can continue.
This notice is made returnable also. Interim order past register and extended till the next date of listing. Next paragraph, list also. You will date after 4 weeks. 2nd April. Okay.
Much obliged.
But back to mention item number 33 to 35, Lordship. These are unloaded matters. It is matter may be taken up on Thursday, Lordship, on 7th of March, Lordship. I have some difficulties today, Lordship.
33.
33, 34, and 35, Lordship. All these are analogous matters.
Okay. 33, 34, 35. Fair material constable petitioner, this term. Thursday.
Lordship.
Okay. Tuesday will be 7th.
Lordship.
For motion, item number 1.
We will issue notice. We will issue notice. We will issue notice. Your name is Mr. K. Mezur.
Yes.
Mr. K. Mezur, and counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice on this application. Following Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking appointment on seeking a direction for appointment under compassionate appointment scheme. Mr. Sorry, because spelling I'll make mistakes. Advocate accepts you are a government advocate.
Yes, sir.
Accepts notice on behalf of the respondents. So, extra copies of the petition be served on him in course of the day. Next list after 4 weeks.
For admission, item numbers 2 and 3.
Yes, who is appearing for private respondent? No one. Private respondent. Yes. Village council, who is representing village council? Umbro village council. Private respondent is number 6. How is this village council? Yes, no, 5 is village council. In item 2. Huh. Okay, how do you sustain this order? How do you sustain this impugn order? This impugn order would not be. No, you see. This. You see, what are the documents to show that you have been looking after this land, and this land is a community forest. No, that is okay. But you see, there's no document to that effect. Merely because I suddenly I start saying that this area is looked after by me. Whether I become the de facto management of that. No, correct. You see, but
We have authorized the village councils to the forest.
no,
Otherwise, even the village council, they do not own the land. It is a private who owns the land.
see,
So if one merchant mechanic,
No.
I have received the fund by the government just now.
no, you see, government and you see when affidavit of government is coming, what will your correspondent do? You want to file an affidavit in reply against the government? You can't do that.
No, I'm not doing that, but I have to go through the affidavit
No.
because I don't know the content of the affidavit. I just received it now.
No, you forget that. Just think that it is not there.
Okay.
You sustain your own stand.
Yes.
You see, the petitioner has annexed a sale agreement
Otherwise, that's not be taken up
tomorrow.
tomorrow. I'll just go to the affidavit.
Okay. Both sides are represented. The prayer made by Mr. Gauhati Learned Council corresponding by list on and all.
That's right.
For admission, item number 7.
Can you be granted some time to file affidavit, Your Lordship? I have received the instructions.
Received instructions,
Yes, Your Lordship.
but you have taken a lot of adjournments.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Both sides are represented. The learned government advocate. So means that she has received instructions. On such statement being made, the matter stands adjourned to enable her to file affidavit in opposition. You'll file within which date you will file? By which time you will file?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Within 18/3/2024 positively based on 22/3/2024.
For admission, item number 8. May it please, my lord. And kindly grant me 3% to file counter motion.
You've been taking a lot of time. What is the fair in the petition?
Here, the petitioner is praying for appointment on the basis of land ownership.
Here also give last chance, both sides are represented. One last opportunity is granted to the state respondents to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. So the respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4 are put to notice that in the event affidavit in opposition is not filed within 15/3/2024, the engineering chief, Nagaland Public Works Department, within bracket respond number 2, chief engineer PWD within bracket housing division, housing bracket was division, within bracket respond number 3, and deputy commissioner district Mon within bracket respond number 4 shall be personally present in court on 18/3/2024 with all the records relevant to the case of the petitioner and be prepared to assist the government advocate to respond to the court queries. Mr. K. Angami, learned government advocate, shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4. Next one, list of 18/3/2024.
With the interim extended to
What is an interim order?
interim dated 15/12/22. The interim is the post of the chowkidar not to be filled up the independency of this writ petition. Lordship. Order dated 15/12/22.
Interim order passed to this stands extended to the next date of listing.
Lordship.
For admission, item number 13.
Here I'm here to receive instructions. I've also been instructed by the department to sort for more time as they are preparing their parawise comments. Your Lordship. So it may be listed after 3 weeks. Your Lordship.
You see, this lady is complaining of not being paid her wages.
Your Lordship, here, if I may be allowed to mention, Your Lordship, the service copy was also served to me after a month, Your Lordship, and there is an order on 31st. Then I was received the service copy very late as well in this matter. Though it was listed for motion on September 25th, I received service copy only after 31st October, Your Lordship. There was a direction to the petitioner to send me a copy as
So
well.
the parent and government advocate, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. Next paragraph. In view of the nature of prayer made in the petition, the respondents are directed to file their affidavit in opposition positively prior to the next date of listing. During which the matter would be heard on the basis of materials available on record. Next, the right government advocate shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the respondents.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Just after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 20.
Yes.
The state is here to file a counter, Your Lordship.
Just rush back to 4.2. Any breadcrumbs something.
Okay. So the representative, the prayer made by uncommitted rate. Let's start to 3 weeks to enable the state to file affidavit in opposition in the matter.
For revision, item number 21.
Now, may I please, Your Lordship, on the last occasion when this matter came up before this court, Your Lordship, I prayed for filing my amended petition, Your Lordship, and presented it, Your Lordship, I filed my amended petition. So, Your Lordship, in the meantime, I may be allowed to take steps for service upon respondent number 4 and 5, Your Lordship, through registered AD, Your Lordship.
You file amended rate petition.
Yes, Your Lordship, I filed amended petition, Your Lordship,
When did you file it?
on 28 to Your Lordship. For rectification of paragraph number 15, Your Lordship.
The additional, the amended rate petition filed by the petitioner is on record. Petitioners. You are accepting notice?
Yeah, which-
You are accepting notice for the state?
Yes, for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. And 6 as well. Your Lordship.
No, 3, 4, everyone, all are government.
For NSSB, I'm not representing, Your Lordship.
And who is the NSSB advocate?
Your Lordship, I may be allowed to take steps through registered
They
AD.
don't have a standing council here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes or no?
We don't have a standing council for
Oh,
NSSB, Your Lordship.
Yes. Madam, your name?
In a holy, Your Lordship.
No. Then a government advocate accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3.
And 6 as well, Your Lordship.
1, 2, 3, and 6. So requisite extra copies of the amended rate petition be served on in course of the day. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice on respondent numbers 4 and 5 by registered post with AD. Notice is made returnable on so and so. After 4 is the date. 5/4/2024. Mr. Bobby.
Obliged, my lord.
For hearing, item number 36.
Please button up your coat. Button up your coat.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, this is a commission for commissioner appointment. My lord, the petitioner husband died in harness in 2021, leaving behind the petitioner and 2 minor children. Your Lordship, there's a scheme where the government has given a commissioner appointment to those family members whose those employees who died in
Where
harness.
is the scheme?
Page number 14, annex 4, Your Lordship.
Yes. What is the vacancy position in that department?
Your Lordship, I made the petitioner made a representation.
No,
However,
you
there's-
see, representation is something else. There must be vacancies available. What is the vacancy position in that department?
Yes, Your Lordship. However, the government will be in a better position to know the position, Your Lordship.
Yes, what is the vacancy position in that department?
May I please, Lordship, I sought some clarification regarding the affidavit filed by the petitioner, Lordship, which I.
No, no, after filing of affidavit, you don't need any instruction.
No, Lordship, I need some clarification, Lordship. Since the petitioner, Lordship, he was not on regular basis when he was appointed initially, Lordship.
Pardon me?
He was not on regular basis, Lordship. Initially.
No, on the day he died, he was a regular appointee or not?
Lordship.
On the day the person died, on that day he had a regular service or not?
No, Lordship.
No, Your Lord,
It was on irregular basis, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the petitioner is enjoying the pension benefit of her husband. Only regular employees are given pension benefit, Your Lordship.
No,
So,
just let her complete.
So, Lordship, I have sought some clarification, Lordship, which I have received, Lordship, instructions.
It says a representative. On the plain paper, miss. Your name?
S. Chang.
S.
Chang.
CHNG.
Lordship.
London Government Advocate. You are government advocate?
Lordship.
This one is granted 2 weeks time to obtain clarification.
I have received instructions, Lordship.
You have received instructions.
Yes.
So then,
So I went before the court.
to file additional affidavit. In terms of additional instructions received by her. Give it within. Affidavit to file within what time? Give a date.
2 weeks, Lordship. 2 weeks.
To file within 18/3/2024. Based on 22/3/2024.
Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg your apology, Your Lordship, for intervention, Your Lordship, with regard to item number 27, Your Lordship. Interim order was continued, Your Lordship, on the last order, Your Lordship,
7.
1/2/2024, Your Lordship.
No, 27 order is vacated, I think.
No, Your Lordship, because as per the order dated 4th December 2024, to 2023, Your Lordship, last chance was given to the petitioner to file affidavit in reply, Your Lordship, and accordingly, we have filed our affidavit in reply. And when the matter was listed on,
You file your reply.
yes,
But
we have
morning-
accordingly filed our reply, Your Lordship.
But morning when we passed an order that the reply was never mentioned.
Your Lordship may have a look at the order date.
In this case. Just get that record. when did you file your reply?
15/12/2023.
Reply. 30/12/2023 in terms of order dated 4/12/2023.
But 10